The ACTIMIS trial was a safety trial which aims to evaluate the safety of first-in-class anti-thrombotic therapy. It's an anti-platelet agent targeting glycoprotein, GP6, platelet GP6, within 4.5 hours of acute ischemic stroke, in addition to Alteplase plus minus mechanical thrombectomy. And this agent, Glenzocimab, is a fragment of antibody targeting the GP6 glycoprotein. And this agent has an anti-thrombotic activity, but very interestingly has no effect on hemostasis, so no expected increase in bleeding risk. This trial was the association of a Phase IIb escalating dose trial, including 60 patients, with a dose ranging from 125 to 1,000 milligram of Glenzocimab, and a Phase IIa study, including 106 patients, randomized to receive either placebo or Glenzocimab at the dose of 1,000 milligram. So the primary endpoint was safety, including serious adverse events, intracranial hemorrhage, and death. And there were some key secondary endpoints, including NIH at 24 hours, ranking scale at 90 days. Regarding the results and the serious adverse events, well, there were no significant difference between the placebo and the Glenzocimab group. And the other results were the striking difference between the intracranial hemorrhage rates, which were of 1% for symptomatic ICH in the Glenzocimab group versus 8% in the placebo group for symptomatic ICH. Regarding non-symptomatic ICH, we had a rate of 29% for the Glenzocimab group and 47% for the placebo group. Regarding mortality, the mortality rate was 8% for Glenzocimab group and 19% for the placebo group, so a significant difference between those two groups. I may summarize by saying that the administration of this antiplatelet therapy, Glenzocimab in add-on to Alteplase, reduced intracranial hemorrhagic events and reduced mortality. These very interesting results are preliminary, and we need to confirm these results in larger samples of patients. So there are two studies, one which is already ongoing, which is the ACTISAVE study. And this study will include, or is currently including, patients with acute ischemic stroke on intravenous thrombolysis plus minus mechanical thrombectomy. And we have another study, the GREEN study, that should be starting later this year. GREEN study will include only patients eligible for mechanical thrombectomy and included with a mismatch profile on perfusion imaging.